How's it going, everybody, and welcome to another Popularity King tutorial. Today we're going to be going over the daily summary area, your daily alerts, and I'm going to show you guys that back end. Now, before we get into it, I just want to say, if you haven't, you definitely need to get our products so you can be back there with me, going through the stuff, figuring out how to engage your fans. And as always, we are here to support. We're down to help. We are willing to help in any way possible. You can reach out to us, and we are willing. So, having said that, we are going to go into the daily stats. Here we go. Now, this is your normal quick start. This is what you're going to see when you log into the API. Now, over here, we just went over summary. Now we're going into daily stats. Now, this is going to give you the stats of your daily, on a daily basis. As you can see, my YouTube views are very high in comparison. Like, if these charts were a little bit more close together, you would see that, I do have activity in these other ones. It's just my YouTube is far outweighing it, and that's something that I need to fix. It's good to know. Average daily friends, fans, followers, visitors, etc. You've got Facebook in red, Google Plus in green over here, YouTube in purple, and Twitter in blue. So, these are our average daily friends. So I've got some shoring up to do between all my networks to make sure that my fans are in the right place to view my product. So average clicks from campaigns or link shorteners, none. I should get on it, Average age of your fans from Facebook, YouTube, 27, 28. Now, these are my metrics specifically. Average daily users, number of fans, followers, etc. This is the number of new users. So, your Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. So these a little bit more line up. Average lost users. Oh, man, I'm losing some Twitter followers. And your daily messages. So, that's going to be your daily stats. And, even over here, you can print these or you can download them as a PNG, JPEG, PDF image, or SVG raster or vector image. That way you can use them in your reports that you're giving to your higher-ups or wherever you need be. So, that's pretty much it. Just want to thank you guys for taking the time to really learn the program with me today, because that's what's going to help you truly engage everybody properly and use it to its most potential, which is what we're all going for. So, once again, get the software. Do not wait. Dive in. Just go to our website, popularityking.com, and get started. And as always, we're here to help you 24/7. We are ready to provide the support to make sure you're successful in what you're doing. So, other than that, everybody have a good one.